see it like what we have discussed in previous classes, and we'll move forward, sir. We are actually doing DOM. Till now, we have seen DOM selection and DOM manipulation. You all know how to manipulate, basic text, color, backgrounds, or style, or class name, right? Now, let me show it to you something more today. File, open folder, HTML, CSS, JS4. Now, till now, we have understand only updation and manipulation, sir. You can actually update or manipulate. You can actually do this using text content, inner text, inner HTML, style, or class list. Does anyone have any doubts, ma? I think yesterday I gave the task. Does anyone tried? Did you get it? Anyone tried it? You did not get it, which is very easy, sir. Online is screen is visible now. Online is screen is visible. Yes, I am sharing the screen. Why it is not visible? Right? Let me share it one more time. Is it visible now? For some people it is visible. For some people it is not visible. Okay, for people who please check your things and I can join, sir. Okay. So if it is visible for some people, that means it is sharing it here. You can see the dom.txt file here. Okay. Now online someone created this. Why this guy created this ray? Okay. Six URL, print the image. Every time when I'm clicking on it, it is changing it. Nice. If I give image URL, it will print the image. You can also do it now. He is taking the link into a div image tag. That is a nice idea. If you take one image, let me take this image. Let's give this image here. Image. Perfect. The next cool idea it is. Enter feedback. This is the point. Are you all getting my point, ma? Still people are saying it like not seen, not seen, not seen only. Why it is not seeing it? Online, can you hear me now? His voice is clear. Voice is clear. So for everyone, voice is clear. If voice is clear, let me share it one more time. Share the content. Share it all. Share. Share. Is it clear now? Can you see? Can you see it now? What about video now? For some people, video is not coming, but for some people, it's coming. How? Video and audio both are clear for some people. Why? No, you have to check it. Change it. Change it. Okay, I think some kind of Wi-Fi issue. I don't know. Now, everyone focus here. Let me. How it will come, Ray. Let's go here. Just a minute. Make host. Okay. Let's see it, sir. One more time. What we have discussed earlier. Now, sir, we have discussed in the previous classes selection, DOM selection, called DOM selection, and we have done something called updation and manipulation. We have done updation and manipulations. Now today we will discuss something called creation. How do you create a DOM element? Okay, let's read. If online is anyone getting the problem, it must be a problem of something Wi-Fi, I think, connection. Please check it on. Okay, let's start. I think someone created it. What same thing. Whenever I'm typing, I'm getting character count. 200, it will stop because it's counting it from back. How did you do that? It is taking the value. Is taking the value. Online, I shared the screen. Why for most people it's not coming? ఒకసారి బయట ఉన్నప్పుడు. For some people, it's clear. I can't rejoin again and again. Na? you wanna create also, you can write it, sir. Now I will do a logic and I will ask you to do it also. We can create HTML elements in JavaScript. We can create HTML elements in JavaScript using create element and option of document object. How do you do that, sir? Code, code. Now here DOM for index.html, index.html, and next script.js. Let's go to index.html. Let's write it here, exclamation, enter, exclamation. Then here, let's write it here, something like DOM creation. Whoever cannot see the screen, log out and then again join the meeting. DOM not checkout. DOM. My mind is not good. Online, whoever can't. H1. So what element I'm creating, ma? So indirectly, if you write the statement, one H1 will be created, sir. If you write this, one H1 will be created. But did I write anything in it? Where I stored that H1? ELE. Where did I store? ELE. Now if I write it, sir, ELE, ELE, instead of ELE, you can put any name, ma. Your if you put Prasad also, it works same. ELE dot text content equals to hello world. ELE dot text content equals to hello world. So, sir, I created one element and I write it hello world. If I go here, is it coming, ma? Is it there? It's not there, na? Can you see the hello world here? No, because you created one element. Because you created one element, you added text. But did you add it to HTML? You should add it now. So you will write it like document dot body doc. create something HTML every time. Is it clear? Now, append child means adding. Append means adding. 99.99% reality we will do this only. You go to Amazon, Ray. You go to Amazon. Amazon, there will be so many products. For every product, you will have div tag only, na? Do you think for every product they will create one div like that? 1 lakh products will be there. Can they create it? One product, if they create it, JavaScript should put it in a loop and create and keep paragraph inside. Keep the inside. They show same thing for every day. No, na? They will change. Na? If you open YouTube, trending videos will it be same every day, ma? No, they will change. So how do they get it? Do they write every day div? They will generate the divs from backend. The JavaScript will come. The JavaScript will generate the HTML. What you are seeing is actually HTML only, but it is generated from by JavaScript using document object. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Just for a small time, small announcement. Focus on it. Yeah.
Do you have any classroom? Google Classroom? No.
Everyone here are in the Telegram group, right? To the people who are not there, if you go to the GitHub, in the GitHub, the Telegram link is there. You can join there. Okay. Or you can even check it from your friends who are there so that they can give you invite. And Telegram group, I am just posting something, feedback form. Okay. Just go with that. Sir will explain.
మీకు ఒక లింక్ పెట్టాను అది ప్రసాద్ గారి కొరకు Here. Good evening, everyone. Well, my name is Praveen, and we are from the backend team of Nourish Technologies. So, generally, we do take the feedback of each and every faculty on certain modules. Okay, so whereas today happens to be the PRASAD sirs, so have I gone ahead and in the terms of the online students, so like please do check the chat box. Online students, like have go ahead and share the link for you. So whereas for the offline students, like you might have gotten a link in the your Telegram. So once you click on that link, like it will be redirecting you into the Google form where you will be having around 7 to 8 questions. So every question will be got categorized into the 4 parameters like excellent, average, good, and poor. So please do give your rates according. I mean, like give your ratings according to the elements, and below that, like you have to give the rating between the 1 to 5, and you have to give your comments. So hope like everyone got the link offline and online. Offline and online, like did you get the link? One second, one second. I'm posting. I'm posting. Okay, okay. One second, one second. Yeah. No, no, not, that's not. That is for the Telegram. That is for the Telegram. I'm asking about the this one. I mean, like the about the feedback. One second. I'm sending the link for you. One second. Yeah. Online students. Hope you got the link now. Online students. So please do. Yep. So this is in a link where like you need to give your valuable feedback. So please do give them a feedback. So it will not take much of the time. Only 5 minutes. So make sure like everyone are giving their valuable feedback. Whereas in offline students, hope you got the link in the Telegram. Offline students, you got the link in Telegram. Yes or no? So online and offline, once you are done, please let me know so that like we can go ahead and resume the classes back. So please do give your valuable feedback, sir. And don't worry, your identity will be not disclosed to anyone if at all you're giving the negative feedback. So generally, there might be then certain things which you can't express to the management or you can't talk to the faculty to break that ice, like coming to for the ice break and coming to what is it to fill that gap. We are taking then a feedback. Online students and the offline students, if at all you're done, please let me know so that we can go back and resume the classes. Thank you, Ravindra. Thank you, Jojo, or something, Yogesh. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Bhavani, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, Suresh. Thank you, Smita Yadav. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Rao. Thank you, Manishwar. Thank you, Rushikesh. Thank you. Thank you. Please make sure like everyone are giving their valuable feedback and the comments are more important. So please do not forget to give them the comments. If at all, I mean, when you get then a report, if at all they kind of anything important which then a changes has to be done or then action has to be done. So higher priority will be given for that, and we see that like it gets done as early as possible. One second, Madhav sir. Like we have not yet started the class. Do wait for 1 minute. Offline students are giving their valuable feedback. So please, we are going to start the classes back within 1 to 2 minutes. Offline and online, you're done, sir. Ma'am, you're done. Offline and online, you're done, sir. Can I resume the classes back? Although, please do check the link. We have already shared once again and even shared once again. Ajay, sir, please do check the link. We have shared once again. Yeah. Madam, you're done, ma'am. Ma'am, you're done. Okay, then thank you. So, if at all there is required anything else, like where the action has to be taken, or if at all there any changes has to be done, so we are going to give the high priority for that, and we see that it will be resolved as early as possible. Thank you very much. Thank you, online and offline.
They will not give me more or they will not give me less. I will not care my marks only. This is not school marks, na? Last time I care about is my 10th marks. Later I never care because they are worst. Now, okay, done, done. Everyone done. Uh-huh. Nice. Okay, let's continue the class. You know where I stopped. Let me check. Yeah. So we are seeing this Netflix one and all, na? Because see this Netflix one. In this Netflix one, so many are there. They will be same every time change, na? That means they should change it from database or they should change it from JavaScript. You can't put them in HTML. HTML. If if you see right click, go here, inspect. Now see this one. If I go here, this one, I'm getting IMG tag, na? But no one will create that IMG tag. They will not directly put IMG tag. They will create that IMG tag in the JavaScript. Because in JavaScript, sir, if you create one time IMG tag and put it in a loop, it will create again and again and again. Are you getting my point? We'll do small task first. Then slowly we will. Now, let's go here. Are everyone clear with this? Create similarly paragraph and add it. Hello world. I don't want you to change simple thing also. I want you to take empty HTML, add JavaScript, create a paragraph. Inside the paragraph, hello world, add it to the body. Is it clear? Do it, ma? Now only. Take a pen and paper and do it now. Try it. Very simple it is. Is it done? If anyone not understanding, please ask ma. I will repeat. हो गया? बराबर. Now, this time I'm gonna make something more exciting. So, what I will do is, sir, I will create one my div. I created one div named my div. Are there any elements inside my div? Empty. Now, I wanted my div here. I will write it here inside. I will take one array, const names, Raju, Ravi, Sita, Shaya. Now, so total four people are there, right? Now I wanted to print four paragraphs. Inside that my div, I want four paragraphs to print. First paragraph, I am Raju. Second paragraph, I am Ravi. Third paragraph, I am Sita. Fourth paragraph, I am Shreya. Are you understanding what I am about to do? Already I created in HTML one div, which is very empty. And that it is having one ID, sir. What is that ID? So anyway, I will use this div na. So first I will take it in JavaScript. How do you select an element having my div in JavaScript? How do you select an element with ID my div in JavaScript ma? Get element by ID. Very good, sir. Document dot get element by ID my div. And I selected it, sir. The selected one I'm storing it in again my div only. I will store whatever names without confusion. I will do that always. I selected and I took one array. Inside that array, four people are there. Now I wanted to write such a way. Four people are there, na? So four paragraphs should create. If there are 10 people, 10 paragraphs should be created automatically. If 100 people are there, names, 100 paragraphs should come. Is it clear? Is it clear? Sir, how do you do that? So for this, you have to iterate through the array. That means you have to go to each and every element of the array. Sir, to go to each and every element of the array, you have three ways. One is you can use standard for. Standard for बोले तो for let I equals to 0, I less than AR dot length something. Or for each. Or for all, basically. For in we will use it normally we don't use because it will give indexes. Na? Mostly we don't use, but that also we can use. Four are there. I will use most of the time for each. Okay. If you ask me like, sir, why only for each can't I use for? You can use it. There is no doubt in it. But in JavaScript, mostly callback functions people love to use. It will help you. So try to have the habit of using for each only most of the time. Okay. If for each is not, don't go to normal for. Only in worst conditions go because that will make you learn JavaScript easily. Sir, how do you do that? Names dot for each. I'm going it here. Inside that you will give one function ma. Any puts here. For the persons who don't know this, I will tell you. Inside the brackets, you put one function. For each. For each means for each and every element of the array. For each means for each and every element of the array. This function will run. In this function, if I say v, if I say console plus console.log v, then what it will happen, sir? First time it will take this whole function and run it for Raju. Then it will print v value is Raju. So what it will print in console? Raju. Second time, the whole function will run for Ravi. What it will print in console? Ravi. Third time, it will run it for fourth time, fifth time. No, it will run for four times only. Is it clear? That is what for each will do, sir. I'm just reminding you now. Printing in console, you create one element. Yes, const para. You put any name. It's not like para only. Your wish equals to document dot create element p. What will happen if you do this? What will happen if you do this, ma? Paragraph is created, right or not? Paragraph is created, na? Sir, you can see if you write the statement, paragraph will be created like this inside the memory. Did I write anything in the paragraph? No. Let's write. So para dot text content equals to V, because V is what? Raju. So sir, instead of writing V, I will write like this. I am V. Can anyone tell me what will it will add? I am Raju. Very good. It created an empty paragraph and it added like this. The next step happened like this. Whatever I'm writing in comment, that is what actually happens in the back, right? But will it come on the screen, ma? No. Why? Because you did not add it into appended. You did not appended. You just created them. But you should put it somewhere, na? Where do you want to put? Where do you wanna put? I want to put inside that div. My div I created, na? Inside my div. Where is that my div? Here. So I will say inside the my div. So my div dot append child. Which one you wanna add? Para. So now loops are, that's it. Ho gaya. First time it will come. It will, what is this line number 12? In line number 12, it will create one paragraph. See, it is created one paragraph. And what is the name of the paragraph now? Para. Then it will write inside the para, it will write dot text content equals to I am Raju. Someone online asked me question, sir, how V value will be Raju? That is what I am telling Ray. Every time for each will take into the callback value. See here, for people who don't know this, first this whole function is there, na? This whole function is running for array, right? What is for each? For each and every element. First time this whole function is running it for Raju. Then Raju is V. Second time this whole function is running it for Ravi. Ravi is V. Or can I put any name? Any name you put, that name will become that particular value. Whatever the array value is there, that value will become this. Directly, this is like array of index. Always. Zero index, second index. Every time array element will become that. And I am writing it here V. तो वो पहला जीरो इंडेक्स एलिमेंट है, देन फर्स्ट इंडेक्स एलिमेंट, देन सेकंड इंडेक्स एलिमेंट, लाइक दैट. Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, you created one para, sir. Then next line, what you did? You added some text into it, sir. Sir, you added whatever para you wrote. Now you wrote one para, na? This paragraph you inserted inside the div. Inside the div, you added this paragraph. Again, next time what will happen, sir? Next time, again, it will come in another function. Again, first index, second index, third index. Sir, without using function, can I get it directly? That's why I told you first time only. Without using this, you can use for loop. Without using for each, use for loop. Can anyone try this with for loop, ma? For let I equals to 0, I less than arr dot length, I plus plus, and then inside same logic. I put it V na. Instead of put V, you should put names in brackets I, which will give you element. Except that same logic. Are you understanding my point, ma? So both will work in the similar way. That is what normal people will do. This is what the JavaScript doing. If you want to show me, I will show you that also. But did you understand DOM creation? Now, okay, sir, you created. Let me go and see the element. Can you see here? I am Raju, I'm Ravi, I'm Sita, I'm Shreya. And if I go here and see, one div is there. Inside the div, how many paragraphs are there? Did I created 4 paragraphs? No. Now, If you see inside my index.html, nothing is there. But here it is there. For the people whoever wants for loop only, I'm telling it. If you want for loop, let I is equals to 0. But I'm recommending I don't like to use for loop. Okay. But it's up to you. Every person have their own ideas. So I plus plus, which is like same things I will put, but instead of keeping it v, you should keep it here names of I. This is easy. Anyone can understand, right? Can anyone tell me now how many paragraphs will be created? Can anyone tell me now if I open my HTML, how many paragraphs would have been created? 8. I created 2 times, sir. Created also, na? Right? First one is normal only 4. And it's up to you. Any doubts? You can use same way for off, you can use for in. You know what is great approach? Do one normal. I will give you one assignment now. Same task, do it using for each, for in, for off. AK example, you will understand for also, you will understand this creation also. Okay. Now, anyway, let me put it in comments. Go here. Okay. Now, everyone guess this. Now, anyway, I deleted one. I just put it comment. Only this one is there. Now, if I increase one more name, can anyone tell me what will happen? One more paragraph will be added, na? Do I need to change any program? If I do one more, and this is what happens in Amazon. They create a chota code, and then what will happen? Backend people will update in database. Whenever they update database, backend will send that whole data to front end, and front end people will store it in one array, and that array will show it on the screen. So tomorrow they will add new product will come. Aram se. Now I can put how many names I want, and that many paragraphs automatically aa jata. Did everyone understand this logic, ma? Next we will do that the real Amazon one only. But everyone understand it? Any doubts? Now, can we use lorem in the text content? Understand? In text content, whatever you use, it's a static logic. If you use lorem, it will not use shortcut because lorem is not HTML. Lorem is VS Code ka shortcut. Okay? If you put lorem, it will print lorem only, not lorem ka whole paragraph. You got my point? Lorem is not HTML concept. Lorem is something VS Code giving shortcut. Any doubts here? No doubts, na? Now, very simple. Now, what I want is mm, anyone try this. Anyone try this. Print, print set of images using JavaScript arrays DOM creation. Take it any collection you like, cars, bikes, comics, whatever you have. I want it like in one array. So many links I will have so many image links. Then that array should iterate and it should create one image and add it to the HTML. So automatically I will get all cars image. If tomorrow I add one more link into array, automatically one more image will come to my website. Can you do that, sir? I want you to put one array of link URLs. Now then I want you to add that URLs and create images. Like that, how many links are there? That many images I wanted to add it into div. That's it. That's it only. Like collection of car, collection of bike, something. Any doubts? Online, I think just now only I told you can't use lorem in the text content because that is not HTML. Okay, same question. Online, I hope you understand uh, logic. Did you all understand question ma online? Online, did you all understand question? Question is very simple. I want you to print images like this. I want you to print images. I want you to print images from JavaScript. वो कैसा करता तुम करो. Try it, sir. SRC. Instead of text content, you use SRC. Simple, directly.
This meeting is
Okay.
being recorded.
Instead of text content, use SRC because images will not have text content. Images will have SRC, right? And instead of P, create element P, you should create element IMG. and remaining all are exactly same. And it will create how many images you want, that will make it something good. Only three changes. One is links, one is img, and src. If anyone tried it, you will get the images. Simple. If you put three enough, na, how many you want, you can put it. Any doubt, sir? Now let's do one nice project. This project will give you a greater idea on DOM creation, DOM selection, and DOM manipulation, all three in a simple way. The project is some kind of library. We will create something like movie library. Movie library. So I am creating one project movie library, index.html, style.css, and in script.js. Understand this, sir. This is same. If you create it, listen. If you create a library project here, if you use, if you use movies, it will make it like movies library. If you make it something books, it will become book shows. If you use some products, it will be like Amazon. If you use some kind of recipes, it will be like Swiggy. Everywhere it will show same things. Netflix will show movies, and YouTube will show videos, and Spotify will show music things, and Swiggy will show some kind of food items, and Amazon will show products. But basically, all use the same logic, where they will put everything in a loop and they will show you. Is it clear, ma? And it's up to you how you wanna create it. Now I am using it some simple music library. Exclamation enter. Now here I will write it here. Div hash movie library. Inside div, am I writing anything? Anyway, I will not write anything. I will write it directly in JavaScript. Script src dot slash script dot js. Online, does anyone have any questions, ma? Online, does anyone have any questions, ma? No. Now go here. If anyone have any questions, please mention it. Now go to script.js. First thing you have to do is you already created one div. You already created one div. Take this div. How do you take this div? How do you take this div in JavaScript, sir? Create get element by ID. Till now I have not done anything. Understand? Till now project did not started only. Now onwards focus. The project is I created one div, and that div I am taking it in JavaScript get element by ID. Now, why I am not writing anything in div? Because that is the project, na? What if someone said it like 10 movies I want to add? Then 10 movies, 10 div, I can't write it in div. Tomorrow they will say 20. Automatically it will change. So that is why I will do it in JavaScript. I will not do it in HTML. So take it this movie library, Control C, go here. Now, const main div, I will keep it as main div, document dot get element by id dot get element by id. What is the id name? Any doubts? No. Sir, we need one array, na? Let me create one array. Const movies. I'm going to create one array. Inside the array, I will create it. Each movie, I will create it as an object. Inside the array, I put it three objects, sir. Inside the array, I put it three objects. Dekho. Array of zero index is one object. Array of first index is one object. Inside that each one, I will write it image link and comma movie title or title. Just write. Let's put triple R. Next, same thing. Go here. Let's put KGF. Let's put Salar. So now I will add the image links also. Go here, go here, go here. Right, open. Now let me add it. Control C. Oh, this is something big image. So I will go here. I will just put this link here. Next, quickly will do. Go here. Let's take this. It's not coming. Open image. Now again, copy. Go here. Paste. Then third one. Image link. Go here. This is better. Right click. This one. Copy. हो गया. Paste. Sir, I am creating static data. Once you understand it, in future, we will do directly API data. API only will give you dynamic data backend. Don't worry. Now static data, how to do? So now what I did, I'm just repeating one more time, sir. I created one array, sir. That array contains three objects. Array contains three objects. Inside each object, that means in array 0 index, you have two values, image link and title. Again, this one also image link and title. This link also image link and title. But values are different. Any doubts, ma? Till now, anyone have doubts, sir? And this is my static data. You can also create your own data when you are creating it. Now, what is your goal? My goal is these three movies should print. One box should inside this triple R image will come, triple R title will come. And again, another box will come. In this KGF image will come and KGF title will come. And same way, another box will come and Salar will come. Any doubts, ma? But if you do that, once it is done, if you add one more object, automatically it will come, na? And this is what Netflix do. This is what YouTube do. This is what Zomato or Amazon, anything, right? They will print the name and product name, name and food name, image and food name, right or not? Any doubts, sir, in this? Now, how do I do it? Till now, I have not done anything. I am using for each. If the people are not getting understand, you can also change it the same thing just by changing the for loop into for loop also for each. Instead of taking a variable name, you will write it brackets I, names brackets I, simple. So I will say movies dot for each. Inside that, for each and every element, let's run one function. And each and every time I will take M. So what is M value? First time M value is first object. Second time M value is second object. Third time M is, any doubts? Any doubts, ma? No? Very good. Now, sir, what you need to create, ma? Imagine if I'm doing this in HTML. Here triple R image will come. Here triple R title will come. If I do this in HTML, what I need? One div. Div is outside out div. And inside that, what do you need? Image, img. And what more? Some paragraph or h1 heading. So I need three things, ma. One is I am taking div outer. One is img. One is h2. Any doubts? So first you should think about it. What I need? Okay, I will need const movie div. Movie div equals to document dot create element div. I created one div, sir. हो गया. Then const movie image equals to document dot create element img. हो गया. Then const movie title equals to document dot create element h2. h2 हो गया. Does anyone have any doubts in this? Online, is it clear, ma, till now? Online, is it clear till now? Offline, is it clear, ma? Why I created three? Later, don't get confused because this one needs some small steps. Every step clear. Sir, I created three because in my opinion, I want one box. Inside the box, image is there. Inside the box, H2 is there. First, what is the purpose of image? The image should have image link. So movie image src is equals to this m is the object, na? Inside the m object, you have image link, na? So inside the movie src, you will write m dot image link. Whatever the image link inside the m, that will be given to movie image src. Automatically image is created now, right or not? You can give alt also, ma. Every image must have alt. Okay, movie image dot alt equals to m dot title only I will give. Inside m two are there, image link and title. Title is alt. Any doubts? No. What is the use of h2? This movie title, it will contain title, sir. Text content. Inside the h2 write title. Inside the h2 write title. Now see this one. Till now, I gave value inside image. I gave value inside h2. Quite out, eh? Earlier you did one only. Now I did two. That's it. Is it clear, man? Understand? Is it clear? If it is not clear at any point, let me know. देखो, I created one img tag. Then img tag के अंदर src चाहिए. Already I have m. m के अंदर पूरा object है, image link title. So m के अंदर image link में क्या value हो, whatever is there, that same value I just put it inside the movie image. I'm repeating it, sir. First, create div, create img, create h2. But did I write anything? No. And you also have one object. This is m. Then inside the m, whatever image link is there, this image link you are keeping inside img. And whatever the title is there, this title you are keeping inside h2. That is what I did till now. Is it clear? Does it make sense, ma? Now, sir, actually you created both, but is this image and h2 are inside the div? Did you put them inside the div, ma? Did you put them inside the div? No. Let's put them inside div. How do you put them inside the div? Movie div dot append child. That means inside the movie div, put img. What img? Movie image. Similarly, inside the movie div, append child, movie title. Sir, you created one IMG, you created one title, you put the values inside them, and then you created one div na, you put this image and H2 both inside the div. Is it clear? Ah. But will it show on the screen, ma? You know why? Because on screen, what is visible actually? This movie library is visible. Did you put it anywhere movie library? Actual div which is appearing is main div. So you should put this whole div inside the main div, na? So I will put this, sir. Very simple. I will go here. Main div dot append child movie div. हो गया. Now go here. Let's go to HTML. Let's run my program. Let's see it. Movie scheme. Huh? You want side by side. But who will do side by side? CSS or JavaScript? Let's do the CSS work CSS only. So I will go here. I will go to CSS, link CSS. Now, movie library. Everything is inside the movies library, right or not? Movie library. For this movie library, if I give display flux, automatically they will come side by side. And each image, I will give some certain height and width. Every image will be 300 by 300. Hey, why it is not coming? Library spelling wrong. Huh? జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ లో రాస్తే డిస్ప్లే ప్రాపర్టీ హైట్ ప్రాపర్టీ విత్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఒక్కొక్కటి రాయాలి టైం వేస్ట్ కదా హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ అయితే నువ్వు 3 డిబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి రేపు పొద్దున ఇంకొక మూవీ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంటెడ్ టు యాడ్ అనదర్ మూవీ ఆల్సో జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ కెన్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ బట్ సిఎస్ఎస్ ఇస్ లైక్ ఇఫ్ యూ డిక్లేర్ వన్ టైమ్ ఇట్ విల్ ఓన్లీ ఆటోమేటికలీ కమ్. You don't need to write CS multiple line. No? If you create one div in HTML, problem is for another movie again you have to create. But CSS nothing is like that. If you create a div something background color, it will apply for all divs. So CSS तो कोई problem नहीं है. And inside the movie library, whatever the div is there for each and every div. Sir, here inside the movie library, 3 divs are there. देखो, I will give more and more nice thing. Go here. If you see, this is how what I created. Dekho. Inside the movie library, actually movie library is empty. But what happened is inside the movie library, 3 divs are created. Inside each div, image tag is created, SRC is filled, alt is filled. And then H2 tag is created and triple R is filled. Right or not? Sir, can I give class name for this div? Did you remember how to give class name? Yesterday only we did na class list add remove. भूल गया don't worry. Now it will happen. Now go there. For this movie div, I am giving one class name. Movie div dot class list dot add. I am adding one class name. My movie. So if you do this, what will happen, sir? Automatically for everything, it will have a class name my movie. Then you can do CSS very easily. Go here. Dot my movie. For every my movie, have some padding 30 pixel. Okay. And box shadow 2 pixel, 3 pixel black, and border radius 20 pixel. Mm, justify content space evenly. Any doubts, ma? This is because 3 are there. Instead of flux box, what if I used grid? That will be more nice. Grid, grid. How many columns you want? Grid template columns. Repeat 3 comma 1 fr. So 3 if I give next movie, it will be down. 3 by 3 movies will come. You can give gap to set it up. Gap 50 pixel. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, sir? It is increasing box because box sizing is not border box. No, still not good. Looking good. What you can do? Anyway, guys, now you know what I will do. I will go here inside this. Total, I have how many objects, sir? I will copy these 3 and again I will paste them. So that 6 object it will become. Again I will paste 9. Like that I will make it more number of objects. According to our logic, what should happen? If I have more number, automatically it should only create, na? And it will happen. This is how Amazon products will work, or the Netflix thing will work, or YouTube videos will work. Anything. Are you getting my point, ma? Instead of copy pasting, imagine I gave 100 movies myself. 100 movies will come. 100 books will come. 100 comics will come. Barabar. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts here? I am posting this particular project into the GitHub now. So it will be in project section of JavaScript as movie library. Take it this and create your own library. Whether you do it movies, bikes, or particular heroes, heroines, your wish. I wanted something to be done by tomorrow. Create a library where you will give values in JavaScript. Clear, ma? Sir, how to give new releases in JavaScript? Same thing. If you are giving new releases in Netflix and all, what will happen? Trending videos. See, first front end people will create this much only. Front end people will do this much only, ma. But in reality, what will happen? Instead of giving the static data, we will give data by API. In future, we will do API. So automatically data will come from backend. Backend will give data through API. Then we will put that. Ultimately, API also will create one array only. That array will iterate. This logic is 100% same. This logic is same for anything. It will not change. Only the array data will change. Any doubts? Any doubts, ma? I hope it is clear. Try to put it today itself. Okay? Yeah. Try to create a nice form, nice, not form, nice library, and we'll see tomorrow. That's it. Thank you all, ma.